What if I told you that a simple class project could come to life with power of AI? My son recently created this beautiful unit circle for his pre-calculus class, but today we're taking it a step further, using AI to transform this static image into a fun animation. So AI isn't just about automation, it's about amplification as well. You can turn your traditional learning into fun, engaging, and immersive experience for your students. Let me demonstrate how I did that. I'll be using multiple GPTs just because I am not a coder and I want to use the power of different GPTs to give me a perfect animation. So here I paste the image and I ask it to give me a markdown table. I'm using it to extract all the information from the image. Once I have that, I give a basic prompt saying I need an animation using CSS, HTML, and JavaScript. I give all the details, but I'm using GPT 4.0 not to code, but to enhance the prompt. And I specified GPT to ask me all the questions to complete the task. What I'm trying to do here is to use the GPT's knowledge of coding so I can come up with a perfect prompt for my animation. GPT asks me all the questions, I answer all the questions, it gives me a final prompt. Once the prompt is ready, I open a new window, use my O3 Mini, which is good at coding, and here I have the prompt copied and pasted. Here I have my JavaScript, here I have my CSS file. I did have to tweak a little bit because I did not like the colors, I did not like the way the angles were, and I wanted more information. Once I tweak all of that, here is my final product. I even have different modes, just keeping accessibility in mind. And I also have the unit circle, the coordinates, the X and Y axis, positive, negative. So all the information is here. I hope you enjoyed this and follow for more.